Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to teach you all about removing static cling. Even if you used fabric softener in your wash and you hung something up in your closet, sometimes static can move from one piece of clothing to another. It has something to do with molecules and protons and electrons and all that good stuff that I don't have the time to explain. But here's how you get rid of it. The quickest way I can think of is if you have wire hangers, they are good for something. I never hang my clothes on them, but they're really great for getting rid of static cling. You can just run a wire hanger across your clothing. If you have a skirt that's catching or your skirt that's got static cling, even your hair. My hair, I know, gets staticky a lot. Just a wire hanger, run it over yourself. It'll get rid of the static cling. If you're like me and you're little Joan Crawford about things, you don't want wire hangers in the house, surely you have some fabric softener sheets. You can just go along your clothes with these, wipe any of the static off. That works great too. You might not want to put it in your hair because your hair might smell like laundry, and that's kind of weird. Another thing is, lotion is really great. Put a little bit of hand lotion on, rub it into your hands really well, in your arms or whatever. And if you have a little bit left over, use this to rub across your clothes. Whoops. And even a little bit in your hair. It'll help give it a shine and get rid of any static. It's that simple. There are many things you can do to get rid of static cling. You don't have to spend a bunch of money. Usually there's something you can find around the house to take care of the problem before you got to rush out the door to get to work. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you remove static cling.